So how do you craft a killer hook? There are two powerful strategies you can use. Hey everyone! So, let me tell you a quick story. The other day, I was scrolling through Instagram, and I realized something. My attention span is like that of a goldfish. If something doesn't grab me in the first 2 to 3 seconds, I'm already moving on. Can you relate? That's the reality we're all dealing with today. Our attention spans are shorter than ever, and as content creators, we need to adapt. The key? Mastering the art of the hook. So, let's get started. Let's talk about how to hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds of your reels. It's like making a great first impression. Super important to keep people from scrolling past. Here's the secret. Nail your hook. Think of it like a movie trailer that leaves you wanting more. Your reel's hook needs to be just as irresistible, grabbing viewers in those first few seconds and convincing them to stick around for the whole thing. So how do you craft a killer hook? There are two powerful strategies you can use. First, tap into basic human needs. Remember those 4 psychological needs? Things like threats, opportunities, social status, and mating. These are what naturally grab our attention. Think about how you can weave one or more of these elements into the start of your reel to spark an emotional response and keep viewers hooked. Second, use effective hook strategies. Use trending viral clips. Start with a viral clip to ride the trend and grab attention right away. Here is the example.
Say ain't Gabbana, that's one of my titties. Cop me vitamins when I bite the dicky.
Next method is bold statements or questions. Kick off with a bold statement or a thought-provoking question. Here is the one example.
How many people have you killed? This is the exact question I asked to one of the headhunters from Nagaland. But first, who are the headhunters?
This guy sold his supplement company for $30 million at age 27. And now...
Next method is visual appeal. Use eye-catching visuals or dynamic movement to get noticed immediately. Here is the example.
You see this? Don't let this steal life from you, man. Look, it's 6 a.m. in the morning.
Next method is teasers. Tease the main content or a key point that you'll reveal later in the reel. Here is the example.
I'm going to show you islands that range from $1
I found the restroom.
all the way up to $250 million. In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot, I haven't told them yet. That's the gift, keep it. What do you think this is? Is it a piano?
Here are some tips
For making it work.
Test different hooks to see which ones click with your audience. Make sure the hook is relevant to the main content so you don't mislead viewers. Check out successful reels to see common hooks and adapt them to your style. By mastering the hook, you'll turn those first few seconds from a challenge into a chance to launch your reel to greater engagement and reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing and copywriting. Catch you in the next video.